Perform this ritual thrice during the morning and prepare to be astonished by its outcome. Greetings and a warm welcome to our esteemed audience. Today, I shall unveil an incredibly potent technique of manifestation. Believe me, the results will leave you awe-inspired. Before delving into the core of this video, let me inquire if you can spare a mere 3 minutes in the morning. For that is all it takes to wield this mighty manifestation technique. Within these 3 minutes each morning, you can utilize this method to materialize the life of your dreams. It is an uncomplicated and efficacious process that has yielded remarkable results for both myself and countless others. If you are ready to embark on the journey of manifesting the life you ardently desire, then I implore you to continue watching. Trust me, these 3 minutes in the morning possess the power to revolutionize your existence. The efficacy of this technique stems from its focus on reprogramming your subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind resembles a vast reservoir that stores our beliefs, habits, and memories. These underlying convictions and patterns shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors on a subconscious level, thereby influencing the experiences we attract into our lives. Negative beliefs and habits inevitably attract negative experiences, while positive beliefs and habits invite positive encounters. Unless we transform our subconscious beliefs, deep-seated limitations might hinder our faith in the manifestation process, acting as stumbling blocks to realizing our desires. Firmly believing in the manifestation process is essential to its triumph. Our thoughts and emotions function as magnetic forces, drawing in people, circumstances, and opportunities. If we lack faith in our ability to manifest, we may unknowingly obstruct our own progress. Conversely, embracing the power of manifestation opens the floodgates to boundless possibilities, enabling us to manifest the experiences we genuinely yearn for. Cultivating faith in the manifestation process necessitates trust in ourselves, the universe, and the immense influence of our thoughts and emotions. By rewiring our subconscious mind, we can alter our beliefs and habits to align with our true aspirations. Liberating ourselves from limiting beliefs and replacing them with positive ones that bolster our goals and desires is of paramount importance. This holds great significance as our thoughts and emotions act as magnetic forces that attract people, circumstances, and opportunities into our lives. Now that we comprehend the significance of rewiring our subconscious mind and fostering unwavering faith in the manifestation process, let us discuss how to employ this formidable technique to manifest the changes we yearn to witness in our lives. Upon awakening in the morning, clasp your hands together in a prayer-like position. Next, select one desire you wish to fulfill, be it related to wealth, abundance, love, relationships, or career success. Once you have identified your desire, commence your affirmation with the phrases "I am" or "I have." For instance, if you seek to attract greater wealth and abundance, affirm, "I am a magnet for wealth. I possess an infinite supply of abundance." Similarly, if your aspiration is to manifest a fulfilling relationship, declare, "I am presently engaged in a loving and supportive relationship with my ideal partner." Remember, the key lies in expressing your desire as though it has already transpired, utilizing the present tense. After selecting your desire, recite your affirmations thrice, either aloud or within the confines of your mind. It is crucial to maintain the prayer-like position throughout the entirety of this process, as it aids in harmonizing your mind and body with the appropriate vibrations. By articulating your affirmations confidently and positively, you send a resolute message to your subconscious mind, signaling your unwavering commitment to manifesting your desire. This repetition serves to reprogram your subconscious mind with uplifting beliefs and vibrations, thereby attracting your desired outcome into your life. Following the recitation of your affirmations, take 3 deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax. Direct your focus towards experiencing the emotions you would feel once your desire has been realized. As the renowned Neville Goddard stated, "Feeling is the secret." Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with the fulfillment of your desire. For instance, if your aim is to attract abundance, contemplate how an abundant person feels. Do they exude happiness, gratitude, and contentment? Embrace and relish those emotions in the present moment, allowing yourself to wholeheartedly experience them. Similarly, if your objective revolves around cultivating a loving relationship, ponder the feelings of being cherished and adored by your ideal partner. Permit those emotions to course through you at this very instant. Remember, the more vividly and intensely you can experience these emotions, the greater the likelihood of manifesting your desire. Afterward, take 3 deep breaths to center yourself. At this juncture, it is time to affirm your unyielding belief in the manifestation of your desire. Quietly utter to yourself, "It is here. It is mine." Thank you. Repeat this declaration 3 times, allowing yourself to genuinely feel gratitude and excitement for the fulfillment of your desire. Following the recitation of your affirmations, take 3 deep breaths, once again, and surrender yourself to a state of complete relaxation. It is crucial to note that you must repeat this process 3 times to conclude 1 round. Repeat your affirmations 3 times, followed by 3 deep breaths. Subsequently, immerse yourself in the desired emotions and take 3 deep breaths to center yourself. Utter, "It is here. It is mine." Thank you 3 times, followed by 3 deep breaths to attain a state of complete relaxation. After completing 1 round, initiate the process once more, performing it 2 additional times to reach a total of 3 rounds. Once you have completed all 3 rounds, it is imperative to release and trust in the universe. Avoid fixating on how or when your desire will manifest. Instead, exhibit unwavering faith in the universe, knowing that your desire is already on its way to fruition. When we cling too tightly to the outcome, our attention gravitates toward the absence of what we desire, inadvertently impeding the flow of abundance into our lives. However, when we relinquish control and trust in the process, our focus shifts to the present moment, allowing us to recognize the abundance already present in our lives. This alignment with the energy of abundance enables us to attract even more abundance. Proceed with your daily activities, trusting that the universe is diligently working behind the scenes to materialize your desires. The more you detach yourself from the outcome, the more space you create for the universe to perform its magic in your life. Are you ready to embark on this endeavor? Set your alarm a few minutes earlier tomorrow and commence your day with this mighty manifestation technique. I promise you, the results will leave you astounded. If you found this content valuable and enjoyable, kindly show your support by liking and sharing it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to ensure you never miss out on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we eagerly anticipate seeing you in our next video.